sticking out of it.
Straight for Mama's finger. Uh-oh, somebody's got the hiccups.
Yeah. James. Hey, buddy.
All right. Everybody ready to sing?
Ready?
Yep.
It says happy birthday, Anna. Okay, get up here. Get over.
Do it over there.
Scoot over in front of your face so your cake so you can blow it out.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anna. Happy birthday to you.
Long out!
See? There was sticking out of it. Is that actually a word?
Did you collect
No.
baby's
Is that fake?
food and stuff?
That's
after you're
fake?
done?
I put it back in the bag.
It's plastic.
The heck?
What are you gonna say?
Normally we yell at it and it don't even do that.
What are you gonna say? Good morning, everybody on the interwebs.
Good morning.
Everybody on the interwebs.
We are so not awake this morning.
Sorry.
We have had a couple of days off and we've been able to really sleep. And we're not awake this morning. Alarm went off at 5:30. I reset it for 6. And then we got up and got ready, and when we started driving to the pickup, we changed time zones. We didn't realize we were going to change time zones.
Well, we also have to say that it's from where we were parked, it was like 20 miles to come get the load, and we didn't realize that the time zone changed like right there. So
That put us an hour ahead. So we went ahead and came on over here and just sat here in the parking lot for that hour. So we're backed up in the dock now waiting to get loaded. We are in Litchfield, Kentucky, and we are headed to Neosho, Missouri, and then on to Redlands, California. A little over 2,000 mile trip.
Yep.
Got to be there Friday morning at 6 o'clock, bright and early.
We'll see about that. There's a lot of snow between here and there, and we don't know if we're going to be passing through it just yet or not.
It's actually snowing on and off here a little bit. I tried to get a little bit of it this morning right after it broke daylight. I don't know if you're going to actually be able to see it or not. So if it starts snowing again, I'll try to get some video of it since it's daylight now.
Hey, buddy.
It's actually quit right now. So
Goodness gracious, come here.
anyway, we're going to get loaded, get on the road. Poor baby. We got out of the bed. He said, forget y'all. Y'all can sit up there. I'm going back to bed.
And tunneled right back up under the covers.
Got right back up under his blanket and stayed until we got here. So, he don't want to be up any more than we do. He'll be back there in the bed again in a few minutes. So, we're going to go and we will catch y'all later.